Good morning, students. Last class we had completed atomic radius. કેટલા types ની હોય? Top to bottom, wide increases, left to right, atomic radius decreases. Now we move towards ionic radius. We know that ions are formed by loss or gain of electrons. There are two types of ion, positive and negative ion. Positive ions are called cations, negative ions are known as anions. First we will discuss cationic radius and then anionic radius. What are cations? Cations, they are formed when neutral atom lose electron. When neutral atom lose electron. Atom lose electron. जैसे suppose this is metal. When it loses one electron, it becomes M plus. What is M plus known as? Cation. The question is the size of cations. This is called cation, positive ion. Size of cation is always smaller compared to parent atom. Its parent atom. This is called parent atom. Always the size of cation is smaller compared to its parent atom. For example, suppose we consider sodium and sodium ion. Sodium is having bigger size, bigger atomic radius compared to sodium ion. Potassium size is bigger than K plus. Magnesium atom has bigger size compared to magnesium ion. We cannot compare Mg2 plus with Na. It's parent atom only. Ion and parent atom, if we compare, we can see that the size of cation is always smaller compared to size of parent atom. What is the reason? Why it is so? The reason is, suppose we take an example of sodium. We know that its atomic number is 11. Its configuration is 281, or you can write neon 3s1. कैसे भी जैसे आपको अच्छा लगे वैसे आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मेंशन कर सकते हो. Or we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. As it has one electron in the last orbit, it loses its electron and become Na plus. After losing electron, now it has configuration neon only. Initially, how many electrons were there in atom? 10 electrons. How many protons were there? 11 electrons, 11 protons were there. Atomic number 11, neutral. So electron and protons are same. But when one electron lost and Na plus is formed, number of electrons become 10. Proton still 11. साइज किस पे डिपेंड करता है? प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं उनके अट्रैक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है. प्रोटॉन न्यूक्लियस में, इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर है. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन अंदर की तरफ खींचेंगे तो साइज कम हो जाएगा, और अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड एक्सपांड होगा तो साइज बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो अट्रैक्ट था इलेक्ट्रॉन अंदर कि रिपेल થઈને अट्रैक्ट दूर जाए, कोनी पर डिपेंड करे? नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनों पर डिपेंड करे. In neutral atom, in sodium, in case of sodium, number of electron and number of protons are same. While ions, cations, number of protons still 11, but electrons less. Now what will happen? These less electron more attracted toward the nucleus. So electron cloud will shrink. Size will be decrease. Or we can say that when ions are formed, one orbit is completely removed. How many orbits sodium have? 3. See, last principal quantum number 3 છે એટલે 3 orbit sodium માં. When one electron lost, number of orbit becomes 2. अगर एक orbit ही कम हो जाएगा तो size कम हो जाएगी. So there are two reasons for cationic size is smaller compared to parent atom. The first is one orbit is completely removed when cation is formed. And second, number of electron less. Electron loss થાય એટલે cation માં electrons કેવા છે? ઓછા. Less electrons more attract toward the nucleus. So electron cloud will shrink. 11 प्रोटॉन 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन को पकड़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे 11 प्रोटॉन मिलकर 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन को पकड़ रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियस इलेक्ट्रॉन इनकी तरफ खींचेगा. रस्सा कस्सी का गेम देखा है ना? उसमें एक तरफ 10 लोग बराबर बराबर खींच रहे हैं तो स्टेडी रहेगा. बट अगर इधर एक आदमी चला जाए तो ऑब्वियस वो अंदर की तरफ पुल होगा. Cloud shrink, size decrease. So why cations are smaller compared to their parent atom? The two reasons. Number one, after forming ions, in cation, number of orbits less compared to parent atom. Second reason, number of electron decreases when ion is formed, when cations are formed. If electron decrease, then what will happen? Attraction of electrons, less electron towards the nucleus, more. So size decrease, atomic radius decreases. Clear? So always cations are smaller compared to their parent atom. Second thing, જેટલું વધારે positive charge હશે cation ઉપર. Suppose we have 3 cations. Suppose we have chromium atom, Cr plus 2, Cr plus 3, all are cations only, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. अब कैसे size arrange करें? No doubt, chromium biggest because it is neutral atom. फिर तो ये तो सारे ही cations हैं. इनमें से कौन छोटा होगा, कौन बड़ा होगा? How to arrange them? Positive charge we know, plus 2 means 2 electron lost, plus 3 means 3 electrons lost, 4 means 4 electrons lost. So if more number of electrons will be losing by an atom, then what will happen? The remaining electron will be less. So less electron, more attraction, so size will be decreased. So as we move this way, Cr plus 2 to Cr plus 5, number of electrons lost increases. 2 electron, 3, 4, 5 loss हो गए from neutral atom. Positive charge more means 5 electron lost. Plus 2 का मतलब होता है 2 electron lost. So as we move this side, number of electron lost from atom increases. तो क्या होगा? Remaining electron more attracted. Remaining electron more attracted toward the nucleus. So electron cloud shrinks and hence atomic radius decreases. So more the charge is positive charge on an atom, less will be the ionic radius. So ionic radius as we move, atomic actually and so ionic radius. So ionic radius always less compared to parent atom, cationic radius. Clear? Now we move towards anionic radius. Anions. What are anions? Anions are negatively charged ions. When neutral atom gain electron, anions are formed. For example, suppose we have X neutral atom. It is accepting 1 electron, then it becomes X minus, negative ion is formed. Now, number of electrons in negative ion will be more compared to neutral atom because 1 electron is adding. Suppose we take an example of chlorine. Its atomic number is 17, configuration is 287. When it accepts 1 electron, it becomes, atomic number is still 7, number of protons 7 only, but how many electrons now it has? 18 electrons when Cl minus is formed. So in neutral chlorine atom, proton 17, electron be 17. While in this chloride ion, proton is still 17, but now electrons become 18. ज़्यादा थे गए electrons. तो electron cloud क्या हो जाएगा? Expand. More electron compared to proton. So electron cloud expands. When electron cloud expands, what will happen? Ionic radius increases. So anions are always bigger than their parent atom. All anions. Suppose we are talking about oxide ion, it is bigger than oxygen. Suppose we are talking about fluoride ion, it is bigger than fluorine atom. Anions are always bigger in size compared to their parent atom, while cations are always smaller in size compared to their parent atom. What is the reason? Because cations are formed by the loss of electron. Anions are formed by the gain of electron. Anions માં electron વધારે આવી જાય એટલે electron cloud expand થઈ જાય. ઓલામાં electron જતા રહે એટલે જે વધેલા electrons છે ન્યુક્લિયસ તરફ વધારે attract થાય તો atomic radius will be decreased. So always cations are smaller, anions are bigger. Suppose we want to compare the atomic radius and the ionic radius of these three ions and atom. One is I minus, second is I plus, and third is I. Which is having bigger size and which is having smaller size? So this is neutral atom. Cations are smaller than neutral atom. Anions are bigger. So this way radius will be in order. Negative ions are largest than neutral atom. Cations are smaller than neutral atom. Clear? Now one important topic. Isoelectronic ions and their size. Isoelectronic ion and their size. Species भी बोल सकते हैं. Isoelectronic species and their size. How to compare their size? First of all, what are isoelectronic species? As name suggests, isoelectronic means they have same number of electrons. Maybe they cation or anion or neutral atom. Isoelectronic का मतलब होता है same number of electrons. So if they have same number of electrons, then they belong to isoelectronic species. See one example. Suppose we have Na plus, F minus, Mg2 plus, then O minus 2, after that F minus हो गया, N minus 3. They are called isoelectronic ions. Why they are isoelectronic? See, atomic number of sodium is 11, fluorine it is 9, magnesium 12, oxygen 8, nitrogen it is 7. These are atomic number. These are number of protons. How many electrons they have? See, 11 electrons were there in neutral sodium. It is plus 1 means 1 electron lost. So how many electron now? 10. Fluorine atomic number 9. मतलब it has 9 electron when it is neutral. Minus 1 का मतलब होता है 1 electron gain. So total number of electron 10. Same for magnesium 12 plus 2 means 2 electron loss. So number of electron 10. Oxygen में 8 plus 2 so 10. Fluorine 7 plus 3 so 10. They all have same number of electrons. That's why they are known as isoelectronic ions. See second example. Suppose we have sulfide ions, calcium ion, argon, potassium K plus, after that phosphide, Si plus 4, sorry, Si plus 4 nahi aa raha. These are isoelectronic ions. How do we know? Their atomic number is 16, 20, 18, 19 and 15. Find out total number of electrons in them. 16 હતા જ્યારે ન્યુટ્રલ હતો 2 એડ થઈ ગયા એટલે 18. આમાં 20 હતા 2 લોસ થઈ ગયા 18. 18 ના 18 જ કારણ કે આ તો ન્યુટ્રલ છે. 19 1 જતું રહ્યું 18. 15 હતા 3 એડ થયા 18. All of them have same number of electrons. Hence they are known as isoelectronic ions. So what are isoelectronic ions? Species, maybe cations, anions or neutral atom. When they have same number of electrons, they are known as isoelectronic species. Now how we can relate size? कौन सा बड़ा होगा कौन सा, क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन तो सब में सेम है, तो अब इनको साइज में कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? सी सपोज वी आर कंसिडरिंग दीज आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक आयंस. फर्स्ट इज Al3 plus, Mg2 plus, after that sodium ion, after that neon, then we can write F minus, O minus 2, N minus 2. They all are isoelectronics. કેમ ખબર પડી? ગણી લઈએ હમણાં. Aluminum atomic number 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. Now if we write number of protons in them, it is equal to the atomic number. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. But how many electrons they have? They will have different electrons because ions are there. Plus 3 का मतलब 10 electron. Plus 2 means 10 electrons. 11 એક જતું રહ્યું 10. આમાં 10 જ હશે કારણ કે ન્યુટ્રલ છે. આમાં એડ થાય છે એટલે 10. 2 એડ થાય એટલે 10. 3 એડ થાય એટલે 10. So all have 10 electrons means they are isoelectronic ions. Now if we want to arrange them in increasing or decreasing order of size, how to arrange? We have to compare electron and proton. One rule: if number of electrons are more than proton, the size will be big. If number of electrons are less than the proton, then the size will be smaller. Number of electrons more than proton, then size increase. And if electrons are less than proton, then atomic radius decreases because attraction would be more. Proton વધારે હશે તો electron ને અંદર ખીચે. Electron વધારે હશે તો cloud expand થશે. See here. Proton, electron તો બધામાં same છે. હવે proton ને જોઈ લઈ. આમાં maximum proton છે. So its size will be less. Minimum proton in nitrogen. So size will be biggest. So as we move this way, radius increases. Why it increases? Because number of proton decreases. Electron remains same. Electron same है. Isoelectronic ions है. But number of proton decrease. As number of proton decrease, what will happen? Attraction of electron cloud toward nucleus less. Towards nucleus decrease. So size increases. Size increases. So in isoelectronic ions, size will be compared by number of protons. JEE में पूछा हुआ था, ऑर्डर दिया था, 4 ऑप्शन थे, अपन को टिक करना था कौन सा सही होगा कौन सा गलत. So in isoelectronic species, we can compare their size with respect to protons and electrons. Electrons will be same only because they are isoelectronic. Just we have to see the protons. If protons are more, size will be less. If compared to electrons, protons are less, then the size will be increased. See one more example. Suppose they'll tell you to compare S minus 2, Cl minus 1 and P minus 3. Which is biggest in size? કયું સૌથી વધારે મોટું હશે? So atomic number 16, 17 and 15. So protons will be 16, 17 and 15. But electrons will be different. How many electrons sulfur will have? 16 plus 2, so it is 18. 17 plus 1, 18. 15 plus 3, 18. So electrons are same. Now we have to compare the size with the help of proton. सबसे कम proton किसमें? कम proton, electron expand, size big. So B minus 3 will be biggest in size. After that, sulfide and then chloride. So this is increasing order of the atomic size of isoelectronic ions. Clear? Atomic radius, ionic radius we had done. Same as in atomic radius, ionic radius also top to bottom increase, left to right it is decreases. Suppose we want to compare for radiuses of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So as we move top to bottom, ionic radius increases because number of orbits will be more, and left to right in a period, ionic radius also decreases. So top to bottom, atomic ionic radius increase, left to right in a period, atomic and ionic radius decreases. In next video, we will talk about next periodic property, and that is ionization enthalpy.